Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic. This is the big news about Polygon Matic. So holders must watch this video, my friends. But before starting this video, please also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, first of all, let me show you the latest update. You can see here, my friends, that the last 1 hour, last 60-minute changes occurs in the Polygon Matic is negative 4.17%. Negative 4.17%, the price of the Polygon Matic decrease. So I'm very shocked to see this kind of changes occur in the Polygon Matic. Anyways, let's see. Negative 10.28%, the price also decreased in the last 1 day. And the last 1 week change is absolutely very highly positive, 40.89%. The price pump in the last 1 week. You can see here, let me show you the price chart. My friends, absolutely from a week, the Polygon Matic start pumps. But now I think that is a temporary false, my friends. This time price was down, again pump. Now my friends, about Polygon Matic, I'm going positive, and I'm sure that it is a temporary false, and after some period of time the price changes of the Polygon will become positive and they give you profit, not a loss. So please hold it, never decide to sell. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.